What is going on YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, SAIYENS here. Yeah, man, let's get into today's market recap, man. So, coming into today, let me start on the day, on the daily, start on the daily chart here for you guys, just to show you how I found this trade today. So, coming into the daily, I saw that the candle opened bullish from around here, and so then I thought, okay, you know what, I want to take the bullish candle this day, this daily candle to the upside. Plus I also saw that this candle, this bullish candle here, didn't displace below this candle. So this also confirmed, gave me a confluence that I want to take this candle to the upside. After the looking at the daily range, I went back into the 4 hour. Bro, what the hell? Yeah. So then I went into the 4 hour. So that the 4 hour was still trending to the downside on the 4 hour. So I also took note of that. I also took note that we're in this fair value gap, but then I thought maybe we could probably possibly come and fill in this fair value gap. But also confirmed to me that we could still fill in the fair value gap before 12 o'clock. Is that I saw that same thing almost with the daily range. I see that here the price didn't displace below the previous 4 hour candle here. So I thought, okay, you know what, we could definitely take to the upside. Then I also saw that this candle, which was basically not this candle again, but yeah, this candle's body basically nearly closed above this one. So I thought, okay, maybe we could take it to the upside. So that also gave me the confirmation to want to take price high, to want to put in a buy for today. Going down to the 1 hour, so that we're trending, that we shifted bullish from the 1 hour, breaking structure to the upside multiple times since last week. So that, okay, you know what, we can definitely take price to the upside. And then when I saw the open of New York session, I'm gonna drop down to the 5 minute. Jeez, bro, we also heard Jack Hollow, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, bro, I don't really listen to Jack all that much, bro. Alright, man. So we opened at New York today, and we had this aggressive selling coming into the limit display, and we started consolidating. I saw this as accumulation for a bullish power of three, considering that we were below this 12 o'clock line here, this blue line. And so I was just waiting for price to displace below to put in a low during London session. So from 2 a during the London kills, which is like from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York time. So I was just waiting for price to put in the low. Once I saw that, then I saw, okay, then I was just waiting for that aggressive buying back into this accumulation range to look for a buy. And I saw that we also had demand here. We had these three consecutive down close candles right here. So that is another order block. So I was thinking maybe price could come and retest this area, but as you can see, price didn't come and retest this area. Also have these fair value gaps here. Price never came to retest this area, and then you just ended up consolidating, going into 8:30 New York time. So I was waiting for another AMD, hopefully another AMD to the downside to go below 8:30 and below 12 o'clock as well. But that never happened. Instead, what price did is saw huge buying pressure out, then buying pressure back into the range. And I was considering taking a sell here, but then I saw, okay, hold on, we didn't really get like that real displacement. On the low time frames, you would see that there was like a displacement back into the range, or type of so type of displacement. You can see the selling pressure back into the range here. But I didn't really fall for it because I've seen it once too many times where if I taken a power of three, that isn't aligned with my bias, then I would see that, okay, you know what, I'll fail. It would just fail basically. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna buy this one instead of selling it. Even though we have this low selling pressure back into the range, I'm going to sell this one. I'm going to buy this one. So I just waited for price to come down into this 15-minute, basically this 15-minute demand zone, this blue shaded area. So price came in, tapped it, and we closed outside of it, which confirmed to me that, okay, we definitely go bullish. Plus this AMD also has this supply in this demand zone had a fair value gap with it, which basically broke structure like to the upside, which was perfect, which also gave me another confidence to want to take this buy. And then I just wait for price to open bullish to then come up, and we're also still respecting the fair value gap as well. So then that took me to the buy. Then I basically took this trade up to about a 1 to 2, and then I just extended to see just how far this trade would go, and it basically went up over to about 1 to 4. And yeah, man, this was really nice price action. But yeah, really, it wasn't a bad trade. Not the usual trade I take. It's just that the AMD didn't really plan out the way I wanted it to, so I thought, you know what, let me just try and catch the distribution move here. So what you'd see here is we have accumulation. You know, we have a manipulation here as well. And then this rest of this leg is just the distribution then. So rich now. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, this song's actually slapping, bro. And then distribution here. As you can see. So yeah, man, not a bad trade today. It was pretty good. Pretty nice price action today, bro. Yeah. Bro, what did I just do? Did I just paste my flipping motivational letter onto this thing, bro? That's crazy. Anyway. Yeah, man. So that's basically the market recap for today. I think I made like around 70 something dollars on the demo account. This was a demo trade again. Let's check how much I made on that account. Made about around $69 basically. Made $69 on this account basically. Don't know if you guys can see that. $69 right here. This last one here. Took some other trades as well. I was just trying to play around with price action to see which way it would go. So obviously lost that, but then made all that money back. I wanted to take the buy limit, which is this right here. This was a buy limit, but price obviously never came down. I was expecting price to come and retest the fair value gap over here, but price never came down obviously. And then I just rather waited for a supply and demand to set me up during New York. So 9:30 played out. Just before 9:30 price respected the supply and demand, and then went up for about a 1 to 2 there. So yeah, man, pretty decent trade. Gonna try and look for another setup again tomorrow, another demo trade tomorrow, might even live trade tomorrow, I think, if the setup presents itself nicely. And yeah, man, another thing that I realize is with this AMD is what I like is that when price opens, it really tells me how the daily candle will close. So it's like an open, low, high, and then a close. Don't know why this thing isn't moving here, but anyway, yeah, man, basically I was just like literally all intraday price action, bro. Then you get the expansion of the daily range, or the daily range of the daily candle basically. So yeah, man, price action was pretty decent on gold today. Especially because I was just really relaxed today, man. Didn't really try to stress myself out too much. Sometimes I can get a bit anxious in a trade, especially if I'm like not sure what to look for. Oh, I didn't even see this was an inversion right here, bro. Crazy. Could have actually. Okay, now I couldn't have really trade there because it's outside my time frame or my trading hours. But yeah. Anyway, um, yeah, man, that's gold. Pretty decent trade. Um, yeah, man. So hope you guys like today's market breakdown. I mean, recap of the trade today. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel as well, man. See you guys for Tuesday's market recap. And yeah, man. Okay, guys. Yo, what's going on? So we're just gonna check out my trades that I've taken over the last couple of months since around April, I would say. Yeah, for like the whole month of April, since April, yeah. From like March through to April into the closing of May. And these are all the trades basically that I've taken right here, with also explaining just what I've gone through. This little space here, I forgot what I did here. I just have a problem with delaying myself from taking the trades, where if I'm not focused on trading and I'm just distracting myself for some other stuff which I need to stop doing, then I won't talk about what I did to get the trade or how I felt taking the trade. So just need to stop trying to distract myself while I'm trading. But anyway, man, these are all the trades I've taken, all my wins and losses. Had some pretty bad losses. Some trades I wouldn't really close, especially during around like March, April. I wasn't always holding my trades for straight 1 to 2. Most of the time I was closing and then exiting some trades. Some trades I just did so bad there, man. That's crazy. Some trades I would make some decent money. So all the shaded purple here is my live trades, and these are then the ones that aren't shaded in purple are demo trades. So as you can see, my recent one, this demo trade here that I took yesterday, that's basically the trade right there, and then all of my reasons for taking the trade or how I felt taking the trade. But all in all, man, this is just wanted to show you guys quickly how I just journal my trades here, and yeah, might look for a better way to journal my trades, but so far this is as best I can get to journaling my trades to also see how I perform. And right now I'm not really all that consistent, man. I'm not consistent yet, or profitable. But yeah, it's gonna take time. I still have years left. I don't know. I have like 20 years to become a profitable man. So yeah, man, just gonna keep going, keep pushing, and yeah, man. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for Tuesday's market recap and whatever trade I took. And yeah, man, let's get into it.